How to sell books on Flipkart. Hi there, today we will be learning about Flipkart and how to make money using this platform. This is actually a platform where this is one of India's leading e-commerce companies and online marketplace. This platform was initially started as an online bookstore, but later expanded its product range to include electronics, fashion, home goods, and a lot more. This operates through a website and a mobile app, providing customers with a platform to browse and purchase a wide range of products from various sellers and brands. To be able to sell books on Flipkart, what you actually need to do here is that you need to register first as a seller, where you can visit Flipkart seller registration page at seller.flipkart.com, and you need to sign up as a seller and provide necessary details such as your business information, contact information, and bank account details. So here, just to inform you that with Flipkart, this is actually solely used in India, which means you will only be able to register with a phone number that is um, registered in India, so that you will be able to create your own account and so that you will be able to become a seller and sell your books in India. So once you have successfully registered and completed the verification process, you'll need to complete the seller verification process, where this may involve submitting requirements such as your registration documents, your PAN card, and your GST card if applicable. Next thing that you'll do is you can list your books. After you have verified your seller account, you can start listing your books on Flipkart. You can use Flipkart seller portal or seller app to create product listing, provide accurate information about the books, including the title, the author rather, the ISBN, condition, edition, price, and the relevant details. So this is the part here where, as I mentioned earlier, you need to create your seller account. You need to verify or make sure that you have a phone number that's registered in India, so that you will be able to create a seller account, and you can fill out or um, input the one-time PIN that they will send into your phone number. So here are some of the informations why you should sell on Flipkart. This actually will allow you to sell across India. It has higher profit. You'll be able to manage your account effectively, and it has a lot more options as well. So here, to become a seller, you need to log in, where you need to have a 10-digit phone numbers that has an area code in India, so that you can start entering your one-time PIN, your ID, and a lot more. After listing your product or your book, you need to set a competitive pricing. So you need to determine the prices for your books, considering the factors like market demand, the condition, and competition, to ensure your pricing is attractive to potential buyers. So you can actually use Amazon as your base or your basis for setting your pricing here on Flipkart. And you can make sure as well that when selling your book, you should be profitable with selling your price. Once you have set your pricing, next thing that you will do is the fulfillment options, where Flipkart offers different fulfillment options. You can choose to handle shipping and packaging yourself, or this is also termed as self-ship, or you can utilize Flipkart's fulfillment service, where they are the ones who will package and ship your product. And once you have processed the fulfillment or set the fulfillment process, when a customer places an order for your books, you will receive a notification. And from there, you'll need to fulfill the order by packaging the book securely, making sure that it won't be damaged on the shipment process, and dispatching it within the specific time frame. And you make sure that you update your customers well from time to time and send their tracking information using the Flipkart seller portal or app. Once done, what you can do is you need to make sure that you communicate with your customers well, where you respond promptly to customer inquiries and provide excellent customer service. This would definitely help boost your online selling shop or your store here on Flipkart. This would leave you good reviews and would gain more customers as well in the long run. So the last thing here is that you need to set up your payment and settlement, where Flipkart will initiate your payment settlements to your registered bank account based on the agreed upon payment cycle, and to ensure that you comply with Flipkart's payment terms and provide accurate bank account details for a seamless transaction. So it is important to note that selling on Flipkart may involve specific terms, fees, and policies. So you need to familiarize with these seller policies and guidelines provided by Flipkart. That's basically how you will be able to sell books on Flipkart. And the good thing here is that if you are new to this type of platform, you can actually get support or help as well here on Flipkart, or you can actually do a little bit of your market research by um, looking into the best selling products or books here on Flipkart and comparing it to Amazon's best selling books. You can actually use those information. So let's say Amazon books, they could be not very much be successful when selling that book on Amazon, but when you search it on Flipkart, it's actually one of the best selling books. So you can actually do some research so that when you are selling your books, you will have an idea the on how to market and how to advertise your book so that you will be able to gain profit or gain a lot of customers from it. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.